I would like to introduce you to our urban mining advisory practice from Team 4, turning trash into cash. E-waste is currently the fastest growing waste stream in Australia, with the market being currently valued at $1.59 billion. However, most e-waste end up in landfills or is shipped to developing countries in Southeast Asia for further processing. However, we want to change this. Our mission is to connect existing traditional mining companies with those involved in the urban mining value chain, with the aim of constructing new technologies, sharing existing knowledge, implementing effective e-waste management schemes, and bringing real e-waste solutions to the market to generate significant profit for our clients. The first question we asked ourselves is, was the market big enough to surround an urban mining advisory practice? The answer is yes, it is. The market is currently valued at $1.59 billion, with 1 tonne of e-waste containing, amongst other things, 3.5 kilograms of silver, 340 grams of gold, and about 135 grams of copper, for a total value of $15,000 per tonne of e-waste. And on this, 1 tonne of e-waste contains more pure gold than what is recovered from 17 metric tonnes of gold ore. So you're probably asking yourself the question, why hasn't this been done before? And the answer is easy. The fact is that the technology just simply has not been there to allow mining companies to do this at a high revenue return. Yet this in the last 2 years has all changed. A big development project at the University of South Australia, the leading commercial mining research team, has uncovered a brand new froth flotation method to allow this to bring to commercial value into market. The froth flotation method is extremely successful at recovering e-waste from the actual electronic waste and selling it on to market. So on this, we therefore then went to the market and tried to uncover whether there was actually demand in the market. First of all, we went to the Brisbane City Council, where they revealed that they would be extremely keen to engage in such a project, as it lowered their costs and comes at a time when they feel like demand is significantly rising. And also importantly, they wanted to localise the process, as they felt it was a lot easier to streamline it and send it abroad. We also talked to actually companies that we want to bring on board within our advisory service. First of it was BHP Billiton, where they disclosed to us that they are currently looking for ways to disrupt the market themselves. And they felt there was a big need for a new advisory market in urban mining, and that they felt that it was currently on the new wave. We then went to one of its rivals, Rio Tinto, and asked them exactly the same questions. And they revealed, like BHP, that they were actually financing new technology advances in this, and it's a market they were looking to go into. And they also revealed that they felt there was a need for a holistic advisory service covering the entire urban mining value chain, as opposed to specialised services. Which therefore led us to this, our urban mining value chain. Wherefore, that we would offer services relating to the entire project. We want to launch a new information and communication system for resource management. We want to promote business partnerships between related companies in the value chain and support the identification and implementation of joint projects. And we want to be able to offer advice, importantly, to traditional mining companies with regards to entering the urban mining market. We will explain more about this in our presentation on Friday. So to conclude, we very much feel the future is waste. The Australian market is set to expand to about $3 billion by the year 2020. And we very much feel that this is a space that Deloitte can go into and make significant revenue from, as we'll explain further in our presentation on Friday. Thank you very much for listening.